I hate affiliate marketing, but not for the reasons you might expect. You see, affiliate marketing allowed me to be able to quit my 9-to-5 job over 5 years ago now. And so the business model itself isn't broken, but the reputation around affiliate marketing is broken because there's a lot of scammers in the space. There's a lot of get-rich-quick schemes, and there's just a lot of misinformation about what affiliate marketing actually is. So in this video, I want to share with you my experiences around affiliate marketing. We'll talk about the reasons why affiliate marketing is a really good business model for the right person. We'll cover some pros and cons around the affiliate marketing business model, and we'll cover some red flags that you can keep an eye out for to better understand if you should listen to the person that you found or if you should run the other way. If you've looked at affiliate marketing and ever thought, man, this sounds way too good to be true, then you probably have encountered someone that's using affiliate marketing in the wrong way. The idea around affiliate marketing is actually really simple. What you're doing is you're trying to find someone that has a problem or a desire, and then you're trying to take that person and introduce them to a solution that will fulfill that desire or solve that problem for them. That's it. The way you get paid with affiliate marketing is once you introduce that person to a product and they end up buying that product, then you end up getting a commission for referring them to make that purchase. This is one place that people get hung up because they start thinking about like, oh, if I get paid for introducing someone to a product and they purchase it, that sounds like a kickback, and kickbacks are bad. But it's not really a kickback. What it is it's a commission. And commission-based sales are everywhere in the real world, not just online. If you think about it, you've got different models that everybody's familiar with today that are actually real, legit businesses that we would never question. The sales rep that comes to a business to sell them some kind of a product, like maybe for healthcare industry, it's like an imaging machine, like a CAT scan machine or an X-ray machine. If the hospital ends up purchasing one of those machines, then that sales rep can get some commission for making that sale. Same thing for like business to consumer. If someone goes to a car dealership and you end up purchasing a car, then that salesperson is going to receive a commission for that work that they performed. Another common business model is a real estate agent. So if you find someone that's looking to buy a home and you introduce them to their home of their dreams and they end up purchasing it, that's how real estate agents get paid. So you can see that business model itself is real, it's proven, and it's been around forever. It just looks a little bit different when it comes to online business. You see, the real issue with affiliate marketing isn't the business model itself. It's just that the way affiliate marketing is presented to people to get someone to buy their affiliate marketing program so you can learn all about affiliate marketing and do it for yourself. They're selling this by trying to appeal to you through what I call the lottery ticket hope, where when you go and buy a lottery ticket, you're hoping that you're going to get rich overnight. And that's the same mechanism that works when it comes to positioning get rich quick overnight millionaire schemes. So while the hype is real and people use that hype to get sales, the business model itself is not a fake model. In fact, it's one of the best ones I believe that you can use if you're starting out in the online business space as a beginner. And you can also see when it comes to the examples that I gave, you can see how there's good experiences when it comes to this business model and there are bad experiences. We all know the car dealers that are just in it to make a buck and trying to push on whatever car that they think you should buy onto you. They don't really care about you. They don't really listen to your needs because their ultimate goal is to just make a sale. But that's how you do affiliate marketing and sales in general the wrong way. The right way is to introduce products, solutions, and services that actually are helpful to the person and actually something that they might need, not forcing them onto someone because it helps you make money. Really, making money is a byproduct of helping someone, and it should never be your main focus when it comes to business, even though the goal that we have ultimately relates back to making money. Money flows as a result of being selfless in every instance to be able to lead a person to making a decision that's right for them. That's how you do affiliate marketing ethically, and that's how you do sales and business ethically too. Now, the really cool thing about affiliate marketing is no matter what your ideas are around online business, affiliate marketing gives you some basic skills that you can apply to any business model going forward. So you don't have to stick to affiliate marketing forever, but it is a great way to learn a skill and get paid for it at the same time. Maybe you want to do something in the future like sell a course, packaging up your expertise. Maybe you want to create a SaaS program, SaaS platform, your own app for the App Store. All these things can be done in the future. But if you start out with affiliate marketing, it's a more accessible model because it kind of takes everything that you need to understand on how to make sales online and condenses it down into a model that's easier to follow and is one of the shortest paths from going from not making money online to actually making money online. So for example, I didn't start out in a make money online space. I didn't start out in a space where it's all about marketing and business. I started out with something that was more of a hobby niche. And I was able to take that and quit my job from that based off of affiliate marketing and YouTube. One of the reasons I chose a hobby niche instead of something that's like in the make money online space is because I wanted to prove that if this was a legit model, I should be able to make it work anywhere, not just in a space where I'm teaching people to make money by selling them make money online products. Like, I wanted to make sure this was legit. With affiliate marketing, I like to think of this as a middleman model. And a middleman model is really great, especially when you're first getting started, because it takes the entire buyer's journey path from finding someone to buy your product all the way to selling them the product, making the product, supporting the product, all those things that are associated with the entire journey, and condensing it down to one specific stage, which is finding the person that might need the product or service and then introducing it to them. That really is the core. And if you do a good job at that with an affiliate business, then you understand that skill and then you can apply that skill to other businesses as you progress in the online business space. So you don't have to stick with affiliate marketing. And if you're afraid that if you pick affiliate marketing now and you can't switch to something else in the future, let me just tell you, that is not true. You can change business models, you can change businesses, you can change whatever you want to, but the skill that you develop through affiliate marketing is something that's going to stay with you for the rest of your life. Another reason why affiliate marketing kind of gets a bad rap is because affiliate marketing is one of those business models that really can make you money as you sleep. When you put content out on the internet, or when you put information out on the internet, like through social media, through YouTube, blog articles, Reddit posts, all these different ways you can do it, those things don't just turn off when you go to sleep. They are continually out there on the internet ready to be found, which is why they can make sales and they can make money that's disconnected from your time. So while that sounds like kind of a pipe dream because we're used to a 9-to-5 job, we're used to only being paid for the amount of hours that we're working, with affiliate marketing and with online business, you can get paid at any time of the day. It doesn't matter if you're online or not, because your assets that you've created are out there working for you. And so that's another reason why affiliate marketing can come across as scammy, is because that model is a little bit different than what people are used to. But when you break it down, it really makes sense as to why it works that way. And you can see that it's not a scam. So now that you understand what affiliate marketing is, let's take a look at some pros and cons so you can understand better if it's a model that you really want to look at and pursue, or if there's something here that doesn't really align with you and maybe look for another business model instead of affiliate marketing, because while affiliate marketing is one way, it's not the only way. So one of the pros of affiliate marketing is it's a low stake business to get started with. You don't have to have a product, you don't have to have inventory, you don't have to fulfill the product, you don't have to support the product even if you don't want to. Again, affiliate marketing is that narrower band of the entire buyer's journey that you can start out with in order to monetize. You can also start while you learn. So with affiliate marketing, you don't have to have a big audience, you don't have to have a big network of people in order to make money with affiliate sales. I know this personally because I was able to make commission off of a video on YouTube that only had about 250 views on it at the time, and I was able to make 2 sales from that video. The channel was less than 200 subscribers, and it was still able to make me money. Now, if you know anything about YouTube, you know that being able to make money from a video that only has 200 views and a channel that has less than 200 subscribers is unheard of. But if you combine that with affiliate marketing, you absolutely can start generating revenue from your efforts with YouTube. It's also a low cost and low overhead model as well. So if you're thinking about doing something like an e-commerce brand, with e-commerce, you have to find product to sell, you have to store the product somewhere. A lot of times it's in your house in the beginning. You have to ship that product out once orders start coming in. You don't have to worry about any of that when it comes to affiliate marketing. And it's also flexible and it can be evergreen too. So what I mean by those two terms are, it's flexible because you can do affiliate marketing when your time allows. You don't have to dedicate specific times. Like if you're trying to get client-based work where you have to get people on a call in order to talk to them about their needs and then sell them a package and things like that, you don't have to do that with affiliate marketing because that doesn't exist. With evergreen, that just means that evergreen business models continue to produce sales over time. And I always like to focus on evergreen products, not products that are trending like fidget spinners as an affiliate, because those trending products can make a lot of money really quickly, but then over time that trend dies and then those sales drop off completely. With evergreen, you can target products that there's always a demand for in the market, and then as you start to create content around those products, finding the people that need those products, you can have a consistent stream of income coming in over a long period of time. Now, it's not just all sunshine and roses. There are some cons to affiliate marketing as well, just like there is with any business. The first con, that's probably the biggest one, is it can be slow to start. It can be slow to start because what affiliate marketers typically do, and the most profitable way to do affiliate marketing, is through what's called organic content. Organic content can take a while to ramp up. It's things like creating YouTube videos, it's things like doing social media posts, growing a channel, things like that. So those things can take time, but it is a great way to build a business that's sustainable and that can continue to bring you income over a longer period of time. So if you're looking to make money really, really quickly, affiliate marketing probably isn't your best fit. Another downside is you don't own the customer or the terms, meaning if you're referring someone to a business, then that business ultimately has the relationship with that person as it relates to the product. So while it's good from a support perspective and a fulfillment perspective, it's not necessarily the greatest from a relationship perspective. So there's some ways that you can counter this that I'm not going to get into here that are a little bit more advanced, but just know that that can be a disadvantage if you're doing affiliate marketing because you don't necessarily own the full relationship with that person unless you build it in the right way. As far as the terms are related, basically that's just the terms that the business will pay you for the commission in terms of bringing the customer. So those can change over time. A lot of times, especially with newer companies, the commissions start out high and they get lower over time. So it's just part of it. You just have to know that that's normal in affiliate marketing. Now, that's not to say all businesses change terms frequently or that's something you really have to be worried about, but just know it's part of the affiliate marketing business model and you have to keep an eye out. The third downside is you have to find products that you actually believe in, which means you have to take the time to understand what the product is, what problems it solves, and whether or not the product actually is something that works. Unfortunately, a lot of affiliate marketers just look for the highest commission products to promote. And I'm not saying to avoid looking for high paying products to promote with affiliate marketing, because that's obviously an advantage to you as it relates to your business. However, the problem comes in when you're just looking at that and you're not evaluating the product on its own. I'm a firm believer that you have to be ethical when it comes to business and life in general. And so that means making sure, doing your due diligence when you're researching products to make sure they actually do what they're supposed to do and that customers are happy with them before you promote them to someone that will ultimately buy it. Now, obviously, as it relates to red flags, those are things that we just kind of intuitively know that there feels like something that's off with this person or what they're presenting or how they're saying it. And so I would say with red flags, use that as your guiding principle, but also, do your due diligence as well. Just because something might sound too good to be true, and maybe it's just the way that it's being presented. So if you do research into that topic on your own to understand whether or not it is too good to be true or not, or maybe it's just the person, that can serve you really, really well in business going forward. Now, obviously, if someone says you're going to make $1 million overnight, I would run away as fast as I can because those kinds of claims are great when it comes to sales, horrible when it comes to reputation, and really, really bad when it comes to refunds and even getting in trouble with compliance. So those types of people that go to that extent of promising really, really big claims like that, especially when it relates to money, those are really usually a bad sign. If they're promising that you can do that, not sharing their examples from students and things like that and saying, well, this, results aren't typical, those kinds of things, that's fine because then it kind of gives proof that whatever it is that they're teaching actually works. But if they're saying that you can do it too, that's really where it crosses the line. Another thing I like to stay clear of when it comes to affiliate marketing specifically is there are a lot of programs that teach you how to make money with affiliate marketing by selling you a program that you will ultimately sell to other people to make money. And those programs I really don't like because while I see and understand the process behind that, it's like, okay, well, what am I going to sell to make money? Like that's a really big question when it comes to affiliate marketing. Just the fact that you're teaching someone to make money by selling your own product to more people, it's just this thing that just never has sat right with me. So I typically avoid those types of programs just because while you can make money with it, it can be legitimate. A lot of times I see people crossing over into that space of being unethical from the programs themselves or even the people promoting the programs. So that's one line I like to draw the sand in. If someone starts talking about making affiliate money by selling their affiliate product to other people, then I run away. Now you have a better understanding of what affiliate marketing is, you might still be wondering if it's the right model for you. And if you are at that point, then I have some good news for you, because I've built a tool that's called the Business Path Decoder. And this tool will take your answers, analyze them, and give you feedback as to what business model best aligns with who you are and where you are right now. So if you're still not sure if affiliate marketing is right for you, I'll have a link in the video description below that you can go and click on. Go answer a few basic questions as it relates to your situation, and it will give you some customized advice. I'm going to be creating a lot more content like this, so if you found this helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And here's another video that you can check out too that has more business advice. Thanks for watching.